Hi, this is Arun Kumar and welcome to my channel. So in this video we will see how to change the time in the instrument panel of Maruti Suzuki vehicles. So if you have this kind of instrument panel, then if the time is different from the current time, then you can change the time. So it is showing as 6:31, but the current time is 11 a.m. So let us see how to change the time. So you can see a speedometer and an RPM meter, and in both the meters you can see two knobs, this one and this one. So what you have to do to change the time is you have to press these two knobs at the same time, like this, and now you can see the hour is blinking. So what you have to do to change the time is you have to turn the knob which is in the speedometer. You have to turn it right, or you can turn it left. Turn it right and make it 11, and then press it again, and now the second is blinking, and now the time is 11:01. So what you have to do is you have to turn it left, turn the knob left, right, and you can make it 11:01 and press it again. Now the time is set. So this is the way you can adjust the time. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.